There's someone else, bro.
Let me just heal a bit.
Someone else is
on
gonna
the
be pushing.
stairs, man.
Holy nade.
Grenade.
You got him?
There's
Yeah,
another one.
Alien dead. I don't know if that's alien actually. That might not be alien.
I killed an alien down there. That's an alien. You killed one. Oh no, this is mine. Hold on, I'm gonna put this guy's armor on.
Yeah, that's yours.
Oh shit, his armor is fucked.
No, you're fine.
I probably no idea.
Oh, but
God,
he has
that
just
nigga-
he died right here. I can't loot him.
Oh, on top. Wow. On top of
Okay.
stairs. BSS.
Bro, how are you not dead? Fucking die. Holy shit.
No.
How many rounds? I literally.
Yeah, my battle record is not good, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losses.
I just woke up a whole team, dude. Great. I think I'm almost dead here.
Bullshit. Did you stop streaming or? No.
Did it stop or something? Or what?
No. I was listening.
It probably did the amount of times that teammates said the N-word. Jeez.
Finally, bro. I've been spamming that request for a minute.
Really? That's the first time I got it, actually. Oh, empty old bag here. I've been out doing my phone with I guess. No, he hasn't had it.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm going to, yes. I grabbed everyone's weapons. I killed 3 more people who tried to push me.
Oh, where are the bags? They don't want the bags anymore? Bro, I'm gonna need to change my home. I need to hear. Ugh. Dude, they're all little rats, dude. One at MPX, Air 57. I don't even know if I'm grabbing this gear. I'm just gonna leave it. You take these red dots. Well, that's not you heard, but I'm probably gonna hop off after this. I'm gonna look you quite a bit. Who's up now? I probably will for the night. Yeah, okay.
Okay. 593,000. I'm gonna go back up here. Yeah, I you know. Totally not. Alright. I'm gonna go toward. My life is not banned, by the way. Alright.
Thank you for all my stuff back, sir.
I think I got the.
Yes, I was, dude.